All right, well, Elizabeth, here is what I want you to do for a review here. You'll notice down on the left-hand side, right above where there's quizzes and tests, there's a sign called homework due. So let's go to the quizzes and tests first. That may take us where we need to go. And yes, it does. All right, what you'll notice up here, up top, above the sample tests and quizzes, is there's now a new quiz called Chapter 2. And that Chapter 2 quiz you can take as many times as you want. There's no due date on it. What your goal is to get up to 100% on this quiz, which has, I think, about 24 questions, if I'm not mistaken. It does. So get to the point where you could do a 100% score on this. I might cheat and let you get down to, say, 96, missing one. But if we do that, I can add 13 points to your test, and that'd be all of a sudden a pretty good score. And so that's what I want you to do. Now, in terms of practicing it, here's what I strongly recommend. Okay? You take what I want you to do is go through, and in the homework tab, there's only one assignment that's been assigned to you. It has basically the same 24 questions that quiz has, but it just scrambles, that it has these numbers. What it has is also, if you go to a question, it has those helps on the side. Video, help me solve this, etc. And so what you can hopefully do is go through a problem. If you get it right, what I'd like you to do is go to similar exercise. Make sure you can do it right 3 times in a row before you move on. So I'm going to call this -6, check answer. And let's do it right one more time through similar exercises. -9, check answer. Get to the point where you can do it 3 times in a row, then you're ready to move on through here. Go through this whole exercise trying to make sure you can do everything right 3 times in a row, and then go back to the quiz version of it over in quizzes and tests that says Chapter 2, and go through and try to do that. So go back and forth between going into Chapter 2 and working the problems versus going into that Chapter 2 redo and working on practicing problems, getting the ones you missed on the quiz right 3 times in a row, and just go back and forth in that until you can get yourself up to a 96 or 100% on this thing called Chapter 2. If you do that, I can tack on 13 points. I'm hoping this is something that helps and solidifies those skills down.